That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she know that she my ride or die. So all you haters looking, you could try me. Cause I'm down for whatever when she by my side. That my main one, that my main one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd show you how I got this cute 2-strand twist out. Just look at the definition. Look how good my 2-strand twist out came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. And before we get started, I just want to say make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you guys can be notified as soon as I drop a new video out. Okay guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I have my hair section in 4 parts as usual. I'm just going to take my spray bottle to spray each section with water to make sure my hair doesn't dry out. And once I do that, I'm going to take their knot away leave-in detangler and just put it in each section of my hair just so I can comb through it to make sure there's no tangles or knots in my hair. And as you can see, I'm just going to start combing through each section with my denim brush. So like I said, I'm just going to repeat each section of my hair, and as you can see right here, I'm putting the leave-in detangler all throughout my hair. It has great slip, and as you can see right here, my hair is easy to comb through, like with no hesitation at all, and I'm loving it. Okay, so now that my hair is moisturized in each section really good, now what you see me doing is just taking small sections of my hair, I'll say medium-sized sections, and 2-strand twisting it. So after I finish doing this section in the back, I'm just gonna twist the rest of my hair off camera and I'll come back on and give you guys my opinion. So guys, my review on the Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line is that, here's the twisting cream, is that I loved it. The shampoo just had great slip, left my hair really soft and really clean. I can run my fingers through it with the shampoo, and that's what I look for if I'm going to use a shampoo. Something that's moisturizing and won't strip my hair, and it definitely did that. And the hair mask, I use it just as a conditioner, and yeah, it left my hair super soft. So I'm loving this line. And the twisting cream, it just melted like butter when I put it through my hair. Once I detangled and put the leave-in conditioner in there, it just worked great. And my curls have a medium hold in it, and my hair is super soft. So I'm loving it. I'm definitely going to be looking forward to using more of this product every now and again in my hair. So yeah guys, so that's my review on the Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line. Like I said, I loved it. It did wonders for my hair. My hair has great definition, as you can see. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to be looking forward to using more of this product in the future. So with that being said, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.